Welcome back, guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a glowing CRT flicker effect in After Effects. Once you already have your clip pre-comped or just cut down into your new project, want to head over here, click on new and make a new adjustment layer. The first effect you want to add onto our new adjustment layer is going to be glow. I'm going to bring it in right there. Want to head over here and put our threshold at 40, our radius at 65, then our intensity at 1.7, and it's going to give this cool dreamy look. You can also, if you want, bring down our intensity back down to 1, and this is going to be the first effect right here for glow. These are the final settings, and for the next effect I'm going to add signal. So I'm going to go right here, drag it in. It's already going to create this cool CRT effect, but I'm going to head over here to emulating VHS, put on VHS LP or VHS long play. Gonna head over to luma modulation, gonna go down to tape errors. I'm gonna take it off so I can get rid of this actually get rid of a tape error effect at the bottom of our clip. So I'm gonna take it off again so we don't have that weird border right there or weird effect. I'm gonna head over to our amplification right here on signal amplification. I'm going to put on 0.0. Then I'm going to head over to our cutoff filter. Then I'm just going to bring it up to 1. And that is all the effects for signal. I'm just going to take it off right here. And then for our next effect I'm going to add is S_JPEG damage. So I'm going to drag it right there. And if you want, you can go with the standard settings for S_JPEG damage. But if you actually want to damage it more and make it look like it's actually coming out of a camcorder or an old school camera, you can actually reduce the quality by bringing up our quality right here, then bringing up our res factor to maybe around 4, and it's going to damage the quality right here. So once after I do that for S_JPEG damage, I'm going to add noise. I'm going to go down here, bring it in. Then for our noise I'm going to add 14%, and then for our last and final effect to tie this up, I'm going to add S_flicker. I'm going to put our amplitude at 1. Our rand color amp, I'm going to bring it up to 0.45. So this is how the flicker effect is going to look like. So when you scroll through, you can see how there's like a bit of green right here, then like a dark blue. And actually, to get rid of this effect or fix it a bit more, you could just increase your frequency a bit. So you can see how like the colors are not really there anymore. So after that I'm going to bring in our effects once again, and it's going to give the same effect but a bit more nicer. And yeah, it looks really nice. That is all the effects you'll need in order to create a glowing CRT effect in After Effects. I hope you guys learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. With that out of the way, make sure to stay creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.